Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save for retirement with Fidelity, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by setting clear retirement goals. Determine how much money you'll need for retirement. Consider your desired lifestyle and living expenses. Next, assess your current financial situation. Take a close look at your income, expenses, and savings. Identify any debts you may have and plan to pay them down. Now, open a Fidelity investment account if you don't already have one. Visit fidelity.com to begin the account setup process. You will need to provide personal information, including your social security number and employment details. Choose the type of account that suits your retirement goals. Options include an individual retirement account, or IRA, and a 401k if your employer offers one. Once your account is set up, start by contributing regularly. Aim for at least 15% of your income, including employer contributions if applicable. Set up automatic contributions to make saving easier. Next, explore investment options available through Fidelity. Consider mutual funds, index funds, and ETFs for diversification. Research asset allocation that matches your risk tolerance. Start off with a balanced mix of stocks and bonds as you approach retirement. Regularly review your investment portfolio. Make adjustments based on performance and changing financial goals. Keep an eye on fees associated with your investments. Lower fees can significantly increase your retirement savings over time. Stay informed about market trends and financial news. Consider consulting with a financial advisor for personalized guidance. They can help you make informed decisions tailored to your situation. Finally, reassess your retirement plan annually. Make necessary adjustments as your life circumstances change. Stay committed to your retirement savings strategy. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.